with that active trader. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBuild Solutions, and this video is actually going to be very quick. So just like you see in the title, there's this brokerage called Fidelity that I've used for actually quite some time. I've actually made a transition to have TD Ameritrade with their TOS software to be my main brokerage. One thing that I reached out to them for was after we started the Stock Market Growth Challenge, I funded that account $3,000, right? So I wanted to reach out to them to lower my commission, just like I made a video about last week that you can call your brokerage and actually negotiate your commission. So I was able to do that successfully with my specific account, as many others, after I made that video. And now the reason that I'm making this video is because they were able to follow up with me. And again, I am not paid nor affiliated with Fidelity in any way. I'm not paid or affiliated with TD Ameritrade. People always think that I am. Legally, if I'm sponsored or paid to promote something, I have to disclose it. And I am telling you that I'm not paid nor affiliated in any way with these specific brokerages. The reason that I'm making this video is I simply reached out to them and I was like, look, I have this group. We have a little bit over 120,000 members. We're starting the Stock Market Growth Challenge. A lot of them are using Robinhood, but the biggest issue with Robinhood, again, nothing against them, is that their customer support is not necessarily there, right? It's not the best. There's no question about that. And their accuracy to getting filled at certain price points, it's not very efficient nor effective. And many people are well aware of the TD Ameritrade brokerage, but they know the certain commissions that they charge, and maybe they don't like that specific layout. I'm here to simply provide another option. Fidelity was one that I think personally has one of the best support systems that I've ever experienced. You can call them, they answer right away. They have an amazing help desk. That means that yes, you could actually call them and ask them about a trade. You can ask them for any questions that you might have about their Active Trader Pro software or anything like that. And that's what this video is about. If you've ever considered working with Fidelity, the first thing that I would do is, if you haven't done so already, I would open a Fidelity brokerage account. Be sure to get in contact with a rep if you guys want to call them. And again, you simply can visit. You don't have to use any of my links down below. You can simply visit fidelity.com, call them up, see if they can set you up with a brokerage. And then once you have your account opened, again, the first step is you have to open an account. And this is what they asked me to do. They said once they have their account opened, I'm going to provide you a number down below and an extension. This number is so you can reach out to the representative that I was speaking to that said that they are going to set you up with Fidelity Active Trader Pro for free. Usually you have to place at least 36 trades before you can even get access to the software for free. And then the thing that I would also encourage you to do, if you haven't done so already, is to try to negotiate your commission. I would not do it with the people that you're going to call for the Active Trader Pro. I would do it when you are initially setting up your account. You can tell them how much it is that you are going to be trading. You can tell them, look, I want to see what it is that you can offer me and being able to reduce my commission. And the great thing about that is that now you're going to have a reliable brokerage, right, with low commissions. And then you're also going to have an amazing support and Active Trader Pro. Active Trader Pro would be similar to that TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim software. They both have their pros and their cons, so be sure to check out a couple reviews. Based on my knowledge and my understanding of what Fidelity has to offer, they have one of the highest accuracy rates when it comes down to getting filled at certain price points that you are wanting to get filled at. And that's really just it. Again, the first step is to be sure to create your own Fidelity account. The second step is, negotiate your commissions. And then once you have that all set up, be sure to, go down below. There is a phone number and then there's an extension. Feel free to reach out to them. And they said that they're going to be able to properly set you up with that Active Trader Pro software. So I hope that they can really guide you in the right direction. I don't know, how much volume they're going to receive in calls. So please be considerate. And that's really just it. You don't have to disclose, again, you don't have to disclose that you're part of TechBuild Solutions. You don't have to disclose if you're part of Learn Plan Profit. You don't even have to disclose that you follow me on YouTube. All I'm saying is that this is an alternative for all those that were looking for maybe a more reliable and stable brokerage. You wanted to try something new, then this is something that I hope can act as an incentive for each and every single one of you. So that's really just it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. All the links are down below if you guys want to stay connected. Thank you guys again for everything it is that you guys do. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. If you guys can give this video a thumbs up, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you guys want to share this to a friend that you think it can guide in the right direction, we'd greatly appreciate it. So thank you guys again. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.
I'm on a new level. 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 Brought me a new shovel.